Hello, now call about Fofoofo TV. A friend Bernard. Say my share see I make sure how to register or how to sign up on a new e-commerce platform and we will launch it. Yes, and necessarily we will try from now in the previous video we show how to register as a user. Yes, but for this one we will show how we will register as a seller. Yes, so if you are a seller, what on name, who be sell list products or a platform no so kwan bɛn na bɛfa so a register anaasɛ wowie so a wobɛsan de alist products no wɔ the platform no so nti with this tutorial no make sure all the steps but we break into two videos. First one here how to register, then second one be how to list the product on a platform nti yɛnhyɛ aseɛ. First we use web browser, then what visit fofoofo.com. Yeah, the website need be say the only thing I first now when say call seller zone, and to call seller zone these two options are you become a seller and your seller login. It you could become a seller. Into Ubia sent your shop application, like this is a form answer you have to fill in order to become a seller. And the first one seller info. The way we are all now all register what's your name and the web type you was the first name, then I'll provide the last name. Now if you provide the email or person would you register our platforms. Yeah, then contact. Then from there, you are setting up a password for this account. So which may use personal email password or you can create any other password for this login. Sign up now or creating. Make create a password. Then we are now repeating the same password was it. And say what type of password now say match here automatically we will fill. This here which means the password that I entered it doesn't match, so I have to type them again. Once I type here match here, automatically that red caption and I was here saying I didn't have fluent say my password now. They are correct. And the next one be upload an image. And me as a seller, let me upload my profile. Yeah, but right now I need passport picture be an upload. And I'll skip this one. Then if you have a passport picture with me any perfect square image here, you can upload it. Then the next one is to see shop info. And shop info we provided the shop name. And say with this one what is your business name? And maybe I'm going to type it for shop. I'm going to then look shop address. Shop address near who are the seller, where are you based? And I'm going to shop like I said. There were until Accra or input Accra or Sunyani or input Sunyani or Kumasi. Now input is Kumasi. Timo Accra, I type Accra, shall I say. Then the next one here, logo, business logo. If you have any logo for a brand, and I say business now, which my then I'll upload it. Now if you're updating what I say 80. May using may use this logo for it. And may you ask for TV logo. Then the next one you have to create a banner and which one designing some simple banner by listing maybe putting more details about what and our business, to with me how I be sign up for a meeting or I say. So with the banner also I'll just find anything there. To me use this one as my banner. The okay, it is so we be the last thing obey say obey click on agree to terms and conditions until we are then you can apply. But one last thing, for contact, you put in the contact, you say or add it for contact plus country code. Until bubble 233. Now if you add the contact into it. Yes, until say we are now everything is done now. You just click on apply shop. Until now, my shop now has been applied successfully. Yeah, there wasn't any errors. Until with this one, who create who apply shop now, you automatically don't have the right to log in. You have to approve you. Yes, you have to we admins now say then he approve you until before say approve you, you contact you and ask more details about what business and our shop until where you located, what kind of products are you into? You have a lot of product in stock because this website is a wholesale website. So we don't want a situation that you have just three products, there's no reason there are maybe someone will purchase them, someone to place an order on the website and to be like you don't have products in stock. Yes, so we just get some few details and have to go through this few protocols before say ready a job review. But apart from that, you're good to go. You can create, you can sign up, and when we call you now, just verify from your end and we approve you. And see, I will just approve myself and we continue from there. Okay. Okay, so now I'm approving on the next thing I'm going to say, I will log in with the details that I created. And see. Then we are capture volume. You have to prove if you are not a robot, so you just have to type this later that's appearing here. Boom. So you see right here, I create my account and I say, okay, I sign into my dashboard. So if you come down here and I say, welcome to your dashboard. So I'm now a seller on Fofoofo platform. Yes, I've created a seller account and I can list my products. Meet me, I list my products. Meet me, I withdraw scarce warfare in my wallet. As a seller, you just have to add a shipping method. Yeah, and for that one, so let me quickly do that one from the dashboard. And over web version dashboard now, under business section, you see this shipping method over there. So you click on it. Shipping method near say yeah, to see I'm more Accra, and I will set shipping method to say delivery methods. Obi bad, yeah, you can just the person after say yeah, you can choosing the progress or which must select based on location or based in. And if so outside Accra, they will choose outside Accra shipping method and then delivery method, or more inside, they will choose inside Accra delivery method. And the first one, otherwise, your three wises was your category wises, your category wise, your product wise, but website to otherwise. Yeah, to otherwise, over my title. The title over Accra delivery. Then we want 1 to 3 days. Then let's say 46. 2 year, what type we are gonna submit. Then the other delivery method where added to will be outside Accra until we are who Kumasi no person to add now. How will be the charge? Say the band be cheers now. And it's how can product. Yes, until you as a seller, you know all this things until you will be input based on square yen until outside Accra. Then we are not certain duration, it says 1 to 7 days. Then let's say 60 days. Until we are outside Accra delivery, then we click submit. Then and so add it say but down say okay you add it to delete shipping methods or say then on a pickup point if any person about shop number 5 there high so you have to apply that so that they can choose that one. If you don't apply this shipping methods now obi antimi nto wa there only to proceed with order so you have to strictly provide this shipping methods. And see the next one there pick up. Yeah. See pick up more. And so maybe within 1 to 3 days the person can come for it. Then amount will be 0. We are now coming and submit. And the last one about international. Maybe also person to idea about person shipping from or person shipping outside the country and it's where between you and the seller and the user, the buyer and the seller. So for that one, we don't input any cost over there. The next one will be contact seller. And see, just have to input contact seller over there. So if Nippon person or shipping call outside Ghana, they have to contact you directly until they want 50 days and shipping cost over 0. So we are now in the submit. They say no, if you come down here now, there are 4 shipping methods. And so these are the major thing now as a seller now you need to create an account, you just have to add your shipping method before say you even move on and start listing the products. Yeah, and with this video we did the part 1 of the seller tutorial section. Move on in the part 2, I will teach you also about listing one class of the products. Yes, I will teach you about listing products now. Why then what's that make sales on the platform. Okay, and the video so I had a video see. Yes, so now the first time I went platform, so I said subscribe. Yes, Fofoofo TV. So the one name we have a lot of educative content coming up your way. Yeah, and stay tuned. Bye.